Want to know how to get internal linking suggestions from SEO tools? Stick around because in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to use the best SEO tools for this task, and I'll even give you an exclusive free trial link to help you follow along. Internal linking is essential for improving your website's SEO, and finding the right pages to link to each other can be tricky. But luckily, SEO tools make this process a lot easier. Here's how you can quickly get internal linking suggestions that will boost your rankings. First, let's talk about using tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz. They all have features that help you identify internal linking opportunities. I'll walk you through using one of them so you can see the value of these tools. In SEMrush, start by going to the Site Audit section and look for the Internal Linking Report. This will show you which pages on your site are underlinked or overlinked. The tool suggests pages that could benefit from more internal links and those that might be linking to too many pages. You can also see the authority of pages, so you can prioritize linking to high authority pages. Next, in Ahrefs, use the Site Explorer tool and navigate to the Best by Links section. Here, you'll see the pages that already have the most backlinks. These pages are great candidates for internal links because they carry authority. Use these suggestions to link other relevant pages back to these high authority pages. Moz's Link Explorer tool works similarly. In their internal linking report, you'll see suggestions for improving your internal structure based on how links are distributed across your site. This helps you create a more optimized link structure that can boost your site's rankings. But here's the key. The goal is not just to link pages, but to link them strategically. Make sure the internal links are contextually relevant. SEO tools will give you suggestions, but it's up to you to ensure the links make sense for your content. If you want to go even further, tools like Surfer SEO offer a unique internal linking feature. They analyze your content and suggest links based on keyword relevance and contextual meaning. This takes your internal linking strategy to the next level. And I've tried all the most popular SEO tools, and I want to make sure you have access to the best one. So I've arranged an exclusive free trial for you to try out one of these tools. Check the link in the description below to grab your free trial and follow along with the steps I've shown you today. Key takeaway. The most important thing to remember is that internal linking helps both search engines and users navigate your site. Use SEO tools to get suggestions, but always prioritize relevancy and the user experience when deciding where to place links. Quick revision. To get internal linking suggestions, use tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Moz to identify pages that need more links or have the highest authority. Be strategic with your links and make sure they make sense for your content. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link below to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.